This courtroom moment starts with a judge who has clearly reached his limit. Over the past 3 years, the same defendant has appeared in front of him again and again, more than a dozen times. Each case follows the same pattern: a new charge, a guilty plea, release, and then another arrest. Today, the judge is done repeating the cycle. What begins as a routine hearing quickly turns into a serious warning about accountability, consequences, and whether the court should keep giving second chances. As this exchange unfolds, pay close attention to the judge's frustration, because it reveals how the justice system deals with repeat offenders who keep returning to court.
How's jail?
Not great,
Really?
sir.
Over and over and over. And you know that in the last 3 years, you and I have had 12 cases together. Never have you once appeared on your own. You pick up a new case, you plead guilty, you get out and you pick up a new case. Over and over and over. Ms. Washington, I'm done. I will not take any more deals with you ever again. And now I'm going to set your case for trial. And if you're found guilty, we will be looking at a residential facility, a dual diagnosis residential facility. I'm telling you now, the days of you picking up a case, sitting there, pleading guilty, getting out and picking up a new case, it's over. Never again. You understand? I'm now, every single time, we'll just, I guess we'll have to set up a trial and we will start doing the facility approach until it actually takes. But the cycle of you picking up, pleading, getting out and picking up a new case, it's over.
You give me another chance.
Ha!
Please, sir.
Because we haven't given you 25 other chances, Ms. Washington, you've never once.
Because I never had a ride and nobody never wanted to bring me to court, sir. Please, Judge, please, I'm gonna do better.
Do you really think that if I let you out now, you were actually going to come back?
I won't, I promise, Judge. Just one more chance, please. Just trust me, please. Please.
No, that time is long gone, Ms. Washington. What I'm trying to tell you is that I want this to stop happening. I want you to stop picking up cases, pleading guilty, getting out, and a week later you pick up a new case.
I'm not.
Okay, well, that's the point. We are now done. It will not happen again. So that next time, because you won't be with us forever, but I want you to think in the back of your mind, the next time you want to make a move when you're in the free world, it's always will end up in a residential facility. You understand? Over, over. Thank you.
So what I have to do now?
We're going to set up a trial and we'll go from there.
What trial?
You're gonna get a trial, we're gonna pick a jury.
If you're found guilty,
Guilty with what?
well, now you're with us.
Oh,
These are your charges against you.
Stealing $20.
I'll talk about the facts of the case.
Ms. Washington, you're charged with harassment of a public servant in your felony case. And with us, burglary of a motor vehicle and a criminal trespass.
I
I
did.
have your bond at 7503 on the trespass because you've never once appeared. And in the other 12 cases that we have, you've never once appeared. So hey, if you were the judge and you saw that person, would you give them a bond?
How long trial is?
You don't know what trial is?
No.
Okay,
Like, how
that's
long-
okay. And I'm gonna have Greg explain it to you so that we're all on the same page. It takes time to get evidence, but I'm gonna try to get it as fast as we can so you don't just sit there and languish.
I could tell you that I did steal the $20.
Stop. I don't want you to talk about the case. The only thing I want you to understand The days of you pleading guilty, getting out and picking up a new case, it's done. That's it. All right. Ms. Washington. Thank you.
You can make your
At this point, the judge has made something very clear. The cycle of quick guilty pleas and repeated arrests is over. In many courts, plea deals are used to resolve cases quickly. But when someone keeps returning with new charges, judges may decide the system isn't working anymore. That's why this case is now moving toward a full trial, where evidence will be presented and a jury could determine the outcome. The judge also mentions a possible residential treatment facility, which suggests the court may believe deeper issues, like substance abuse or mental health challenges, could be contributing to the repeated offenses. Moments like this raise an important question for viewers. Should courts keep offering chances, or is there a point where stricter consequences are necessary? And now, we want to hear from you. What would you have done if you were the judge in this situation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy real courtroom breakdowns like this, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more shocking courtroom moments and legal analysis.